Hello everyone, Shruti Mishra from TCET Shastra here. Today I will be making editorial on problem F from TCET Shastra long coding challenge practice number 1. So let's see what's the problem is. Chandan is taking an entrance exam in which he is given a string S. His task is to check if it is possible to create a palindrome string from given string S. Let's see the formats. The string is in lowercase. Now, input format. First input line will be T number of test cases. Second line will consist of single string. This is a sample input and output. Let me take you to my whiteboard. 4 is the number of test cases. A is a string, and these all are also a string. Now I will give you a dry run for ABA string. As we all know, string starts from 0 and goes to number of letters given according to the user. For this program, we will be making an unordered map of type int. As we all know, unordered map stores elements in the form of key value pair. Here, key will also be integer and let me write it. Will also be integer type and value will also be integer type. And name of the map is M. This is how our map will look. This is just for explaining you all that how it would look. The map will store integer. So now you all will be thinking what is 97, 98. 97 and 98 are the ASCII value of A and B. The map will be storing the ASCII values for key type and for value it will store the count. Here we can see A, that is 97, that is the ASCII value of A, is twice in the string. So 2 is the number. 1, 98. B is only one time, so 1 is there. Value is count and K is the ASCII thing. Okay, we will make a variable odd count initializing it to 0, right? And here I will be considered both K and V. In normal, we have K, I as only one thing. Either it can be K or V. But in map, that is unordered map, we have both K and V. So when we are considering only K, that is when we want only a sky value, we will be initializing as I dot first. Otherwise, when we want value thing, we will write I dot second. Now condition starts with for loop. And here these are the conditions. If I dot second is equal, here I dot second, here the first is 2. The count is 2 for 97, that is A. Is 2 divisible by 2? Yes, it is. But here the condition is it should not be divisible by 2. So our condition is not satisfied. So we will go to next. Now the next I dot second is 1. Is 1 divisible by 2? No. Here our condition is satisfied. So the odd count is equal to 1. Now, next condition. If odd count is greater than 1, our condition is not satisfied and we will print yes. That is palindrome. I hope you guys would have worked it out that if we have odd letters in the string, that is 3, 5 and other things, then we are printing yes. And if it is even, we are printing no. So this is a catch in this problem. So I hope I have made myself clear with the dry run. Now let's see the program to get this moving. First we are including the header file here. Then we are taking the test cases. Then we are iterating over the test cases. We are taking the string here. We are making an unordered map of type int. Key and value both type will be integer. M is the name of the unordered map. Now we will be having a for loop from 0 to the size of the string. Here we are putting the elements in the map. We are putting ASCII values of S of I in this. map, right? We are making here a variable odd count. We are initializing it to 0. Then we are using for loop for checking if the odd count is incrementing or not, and it is incrementing or decrementing based on the condition of if statement. If the value part, that is I dot second, is divisible by 2, the odd count is not getting incremented. If it is not divisible by 2, that is if it is odd, we are incrementing it, right? And if the odd count is greater than 0, 1, then it is even, right? So we are printing no, it is not palindrome. If the count is odd, then we are printing yes, it is palindrome string, as I said in previous while explaining in the whiteboard. I hope the entire problem is clear to you all. Here I would be showing you the output. I hope the problem is clear to you all, guys. If you have any problem, please comment down in the comment box below so that I can clear your all doubt. Thank you so much. Please keep watching the editorials.